Oh, cool. Oh, man. Get him. Oh, he's still up.
Hey, I'm wearing your face.
Are you? Tea! He can drink your tea! Doctor's orders. Stay alive. What the? There, down.
You can get these. This one.
Gotta watch these executions, man, they're tough. The jab every time. Ow.
Doesn't look like their powers are exhausted, and yet they're withdrawing.
There must be a reason.
Must be a reason for the season. Why they call it Christmas.
I mean the colors.
Oh, the colors, yeah. It's
I can change back if you want me to.
I like the old man. grab that one.
Yeah, definitely gonna change it after this.
Oh, that went right through me.
Whoa!
Did you see that?
Shit. Better not pick up this tea.
Got you. Oh, damn! Oh, fuck you up. That guy looks like he's having a seizure. His body's like twitching on the ground.
Maybe this is a bad idea. Doing this on a snow level.
Army, you can't touch me. Okay. Yeah, I'll fuck you up. Nobody's safe. Oh, he's got a flame sword. Look out. Ow. I don't know where you are. I was just like,
Yeah.
I need to heal. I'm almost dead. Holy shit! Ooh, that hurts, man. Oh god, more of these guys.
Well,
Down.
where is this Fudo? Was I too late?
We were all too late. He's eluded us yet again.
Very.
Yeah. I already got a bunch. Here. Oh, they're shooting at us now. You see that? He has a gun. He has a rifle. Last time I see you on YouTube with a rifle.
Yeah.
you go, Keegan. Smash him against the rock.
Rock says, eat your sweat, eat your damn rolls. Rock says, eat your Swiss rolls.
Cop says, dude, so have you seen my new videos on Scorpion and stuff? The new MK?
Yeah,
Dude, doesn't that look fucking amazing?
it does.
Just, you saw the original movie, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what the hell is this? I see a corpse and I have a bad feeling. Skeletons?
No, they're not.
Oh, that means the witch is coming back. How much would I
There was
just
no
knew
ghost,
it.
was there? I thought it was a ghost.
bet. Ghost with something like that. Some spirit.
Yeah, sure.
I'm coming, Keegan. Watch your back.
This is...
I knew it! Witch! Be gone! Where's the strong
Oh, I
attack?
didn't notice our bars and the bottom bar went from 3 to 4.
Oh, yeah. Watch it, watch it. He's summoning the demons! Oh! What the hell? She... Got it. Bounce, bitch!
Bounce. Hey,
Right? Drop the base. Whoa! Drop the base. Oh my god, I'm glitching through the man. No. That was fucking hilarious. Woman, bring on! Oh shit, I kicked her into the left field.
Here we go.
Get off me, woman.
Drop the
Base! And smack my bitch. Smack my bitch up. Whoa. Again? Get back to the TV. Ah! What? She was invisible. Drop that base. Base drop. Oh. Oh shit! King, where you at? I'm being surrounded here. What the hell? She keeps turning invisible when I'm trying to hit her. What's wrong? Oh my god, I'm almost dead. I gotta get out. Vitamin C. Oh fuck. Crazy woman. Go back to where you came from.
Drop that base. Go, here we go.
Drop the base. Oh, I'm trying to drop the base. I'm out of base. I'm out of the base. Oh God. Do I gotta wait till they stop turning? What the? I don't understand. How come I can't hit them? I can hit him.
Drop the base.
Is that the only way you get him? Whoa, whoa.
That's all I'm doing. I'm beating up the guys to fill up my bar, and then I'm just doing that.
Oh, that one connected. Got her that time. Get out of here!
A marked
Get
box that
out
is
of
empty.
here!
Damn it. They've beaten me to it after all.
I will tell you a story now, Coop.
Go on! Ah!
In a
I got
faraway
shot
land,
already.
the whole country was divided among different clans. Some clans were big,
Smooth your daddy.
but all had their leaders.
Smooth your daddy. Old man coming in hot.
The daimyo were incredibly proud.
Watch it, kick it!
Spoke a lot about honor and virtue. And for this reason, they often argued. They settled their arguments
Oh, again?
just against each other.
Enough is enough!
Field of battle.
Leave us alone! Be gone, demon!
Be gone, Bell!
I watched The Exorcist 17 times and it wasn't even that good. Get away! You got her?
No.
Get these guys electrocuted.
Bringing everybody together.
Yeah, let's get them all together. Hit the shit out of them!
Bounce from me!
Oh! Got her in the gut, dude! Right in the stomach. Bitch!
Bounce from me! Bounce from me!
Bounce him, bam, bam. Dropping that base. They're coming.
Oh, here we go. Draw everybody together. Jump! Jump! Get down!
Everybody throw your hands up in the air. What the? Get her now!
One daimyo decided that the land should be united to settle his endless feuding. Because the only thing he knew how to do was fight.
There he goes.
He began to unite
No, he's
the
still
country
alive!
using force and
Why
coercion.
won't this man die? My game's glitched. I'm gonna leave it alone.
I don't even see anybody there.
Dude, this guy, he will not die. I keep just getting up. Okay. Oh, above you. Smack it! Everybody! Jump! Jump! Crisscross go like that! Jump! 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 That's why I say hippity ha. Oh, oh. Jump! Jump! Crisscross him. Oh!
His military campaign lasted a long time. Until one day, he came to the base of a sacred mountain.
Shit! She's back!
Taking the beautiful monastery,
Again.
stood on this mountain, surrounded by many villages.
It might be the boss.
Yeah, I think you might be right. There's a lot of shit going on. Get on!
Everybody together. Jump!
Jump! Jump! Oh, we got electrified. That's what I need to... Oh shit, I got the mountain.
Jump!
Oh fuck. Who is hitting me? I'm out of T2.
Yeah.
Get out of here! It's like my last stand. God! Woman!
No.
Oh, help me!
I'm down.
You're down? Hopefully to God. Get. Yeah!
Gates had said, I am uniting the country so that there will be no more wars. All to me,
If I can get
and
some
you
tea.
too shall have peace and unity.
There's no tea. You have to get me.
I guess I have no team and somehow. Oh! Fuck my life. That's rude, game. Shock me while I'm healing somebody. Oh my god, I can't do another one of these. I can't do it. They're gonna kill me.
Let's go.
Crystals! Fuck!
To the left.
Do what's
And
to the
then
left?
when he kills you- Oh,
Damn, I'm down. Fuck.
I don't even know where the fuck I am.
You're like in the middle of all that mess.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Cool, I'm back to full health too.
The monks did not understand why he demanded
Oh, she's still
obedience.
alive! Get away!
Already
Let's run! Let's run!
with
Fuck
each
her.
other
Let's go.
and the surrounding people. They
gotta get out of
refused the
there.
daimyo.
Yep.
and
Go, 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 go. Focus. I'm done fighting that bitch. Alright. And of course she's coming back! Woman, get the message. We don't want you. Oh god. I feel like one of those people that takes a joke. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
Bringing everybody together.
Yep. Oh, really?
Bringing everybody together. Where am I?
Let's go, let's go. Try to hit the witch because the guys keep coming up until we kill her. It's not gonna stop. I got her. Where'd she go? Where'd she go?
Daimyo grew angry
Never mind.
and ordered his troops to burn down the monastery. All its inhabitants.
Oh god!
And kill everyone in the
glitching me.
villages, down to the last infant. They say their screams can still be heard over that mountain.
Alright. Let me out of here. Thank God. Do that again. That was not fun.
No. Not at all.
What the fuck is that?
You're just in time. I have already united the Heshibi, and all I have to do is complete the summoning ritual.
We'll give you one chance. Return the amulet and we'll leave. There's no reason for us to fight.
Never. Thousands of people died on this mountain. They were burned alive in the name of someone's clumsy ideals, or slaughtered to teach others a lesson. Al Qum. You lost your parents as a child.
Back as eternally hungry spirits? You don't want to bring them back. You want to get revenge on those who hurt you.
Revenge? No. I shall banish the demons.
You don't actually care about your demons or anyone's ashes.
Shut up, scumbags. Shut up!
No, you shut up. Oh, Keegan got nailed! Fuck! I got nailed.
Oh, he's got no power.
Do we gotta do something to him? I'm lost. Hit that? Oh, okay. Kill the stone.
Oh.
That's the source of his power. Alright, got it. Almost out. I'll take these guys out.
It's that one. Bring it together.
Dude's a big guy.
Yep.
How is he hitting me when he's not even swinging? I gather kicking it. Alright, I'm back.
Fudo and his mad plans came to an expected end. According to the monks of South Shaolin, the Hishibi was destroyed during the battle on Mount Hiei, and one can only guess if this is true or not. The Wuku were finished once and for all. Some say this happened thanks to the Emperor and his wise internal policies. Others say it happened on its own once the Wuku homeland was united and the long period of chaos and bloody fighting was finally over. But you and I know that it was all thanks to the 9 skilled and brave warriors. The 9 monkeys of the Shaolin.
He said the title!